I just built something so crazy that I'm almost afraid to use it. So this is my 40-watt laser shotgun. And to put things in perspective, my homemade lightsaber video that went viral a few years ago, that was 3 watts, and this thing is 40. So we're going to do some utter destruction today. Now the heart of this laser shotgun is this 40-watt blue laser diode array that shoots 8 parallel 5-watt laser beams. And I strapped it to that big heatsink there. And then the battery is a giant lithium polymer battery pack, and then I'm using 24 LM317 drivers. And then I added a moth for good measure. Dangerous is an understatement for this thing. There's no good reason for anybody to own something this powerful. But because it wasn't illegal for me to build, I decided to build it anyway. Alright, let's start with something easy. Here's some paper with a close range lens. Some trimethylborate and methanol solution. Here's some black powder. A ping pong ball. Some flash paper. A piece of wood. Well, that's enough of this craziness. But until the next time, stay safe and happy lasing.